This is for the few who chose courage over comfort. Africa remembers you. To the brave sons of Africa, thank you. To you, African leaders breaking chains, this is for you. To President Ibrahim Traoré of Burkina Faso, we see you and we salute your courage. We see your hand of appreciation. You, standing in uniform, addressing your nation, Burkina's flag waving strong behind you. Courage. To President Assimi Goïta of Mali, we remember your defiance against foreign puppeteering. We picture you addressing your troops determined and proud. Defense of sovereignty. To Abdurrahmane Tiani of Niger, we saw the moment you chose your people over protocol. There you are, speaking to the youth, the flag of Niger flowing in slow motion. People first. To President Cyril Ramaphosa of South Africa, who has dared to speak against global hypocrisy, your voice carries weight. We see you at the summit, at the UN, words bold and clear. Truth in power. To President Duma Boko of Botswana, your bold reminder to your ministers is a spark others will catch. You addressing your cabinet, eyes steady. Accountability. To you five and to every rising African leader, thank you for breaking silence, for choosing the future over fear. We see your faces blending into the continent, Africa glowing gold. You were not sent by chance. You rose by necessity. And though this road is hard, history will record that you stood up. Ancient carvings become today's youth, marching, flags waving. We honor your stand. We amplify your flame. And we echo your courage, because the soul of Africa is awakening. From resistance to renaissance. I contribute. Everyone contributes. An open secret.